that should do outside. Oh yeah, I should know.
This is just like church.
Not sure if you know this, but when we first met, I got so nervous I couldn't speak. In that very moment, I found the one, and my life had found its missing piece. So as long as if I love you, will have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white, and from now to my very last breath, this day I'll share.
Nó bị tua cùng trong trí sinh thế kia người sau khi là sĩ sầu nên nó lên từ giờ tụi mỗi tụi câu nhà nó cho tụi trâu vào.
Is this okay? Can I come back?
Nó nói nó rồng thế ở đây nhỏ nên chúng một bé rau bé ở nên tôi chụp bé sẽ ý tổ bé yêu là nên tổ bé sai rồi chỉ đồng cái bé sĩ sầu là nên họ thì bé giờ tổ bé là nên là ta bé lúc nên tôi sầu nó nói là nên thành thì nó nói bé đó nên trong xia vấn đề quy hoạch từ này giờ vào rồi này này muốn này vào này sai với each other bia thì nó muốn cho nó này cho
Hey, my honey bun. Ever since I met you on our very first date, I knew you were the one. I couldn't stop thinking about you and been waiting for this day to come. You are my best friend and the love of my life. You complete me. I have always dreamed of being married to someone who pushes me to be the best friend I can be, love me unconditionally, and someone exactly like you.
Mom.
So I promise to support you, honor, and protect you from harm. I promise to listen to what you say when we both disagree. I promise to help you cook, clean, and do the dishes, even when I'm tired. I promise to take you to KBD when you want to go. I promise to love and care for you, and will try in every way to be worthy of your love. So today I give you my heart and my life. I love you to the farthest end of my life.
Dearest Jason, it felt like it was yesterday that we first met. We met back in 2019, and it's crazy how here we are, 3 years later since saying our vows. I have a few that ask me, how do I know that you are the one? Well, the one will help you blend your makeup when it's smudged. The one will always listen and change what you don't like. He will always tell you that I still love you even when you are mad at him. And know when your expression changed because something is bothering you. He will pack you strawberries without packing you your favorite Nutella dip. All these are who you are, the one for me. I love you, and I promise to love you with all my heart, will, and everything I have. I love you.
Mom. Come sit down.
ok để từ nó để cho luôn khó vào nó ấy có promise cho lụt chê hay là nên nó thì bé tua nó chỉ bé tua muốn đi xí dùa nên xí dùa nên rồi nè bé sợ là tua giờ bé tua tỉ khờ tao nên sao cái ở xí sầu nên bé nó nên trong xía sống nó quên nó có Jason. Do you take Carrie to be your lawful wedded wife, to love and to hold in good time and bad, for richer or for poor, in sickness and in health, for as long as you both shall live?
Rain boy.
Carrie, do you take Jason to be your lawful wedded husband, to love and to hold in good time and bad, for richer or for poor, in sickness and in health, for as long as you both shall live?
Yes, I do.
Dear Linda, according to the scripture in Genesis 2:22-24, nữa hai thì Dear Linda, one chữ tiêu qua đầu tụi chính nên cho rõ, and người tiêu mua tụi chính nên sáng tạo, thôi tụi lò, and người tiêu lò bố tụi bọn nhỉ, and one chữ cho lưu hai thì nếu all Lucia you lot will ilu la se so no according to one chữ cho lưu nếu ya ji younger you are husband and wife and you guys can kiss.
No.
Amen. One show giờ trong nem nó nếu ya ji younger la nếu chỉ all Lucia nếu nó will ilu share